Tired of vanilla Minecraft looking a little too Euro? Well, vanilla. Get ready to elevate your game's visuals to breathtaking new heights, all without needing Optifine. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of Shaderpacks and exploring the fantastic alternatives available to bring your Minecraft world to life with stunning lighting, dynamic shadows, and incredible atmospheric effects. First things first, we need a shader loader. The most popular and highly recommended option for a Optifine setup is Iris Shaders. It's a powerful shader mod that integrates seamlessly with Minecraft. To get started, head over to the official Iris Shaders website. Make sure you download the version that matches your Minecraft installation. You'll also need Forge or Fabric, depending on which mod loader you prefer. Iris Shaders supports both. If you don't have Forge or Fabric installed yet, don't worry. There are plenty of straightforward tutorials online that walk you through the installation process. Once you have your mod loader ready, place the Iris Shaders jar file into your Minecraft mods folder. Now for the fun part, selecting your shader packs. There are tons of amazing shader packs out there that work perfectly with Iris. For this tutorial, we'll be using a popular choice like BSL Shaders, known for its incredible performance and visual fidelity. Download your chosen shader pack. These usually come as zip files. Now, you'll need to create a Shaderpacks folder within your Minecraft installation directory if it doesn't already exist. Once that folder is ready, simply drag and drop the downloaded Shaderpack zip file into it. That's it for the installation. Launch Minecraft. In the main menu, navigate to Options, then Video Settings, and you should see a new Shaderpacks option. Click on it, and you'll find your downloaded shader pack waiting for you. Select your installed shader pack, and then click Done. Watch as your Minecraft world transforms into a vibrant masterpiece. You can always experiment with different shader packs to find the perfect look for your survival world or creative builds. Enjoy your stunning new Minecraft experience.